Dali, nice! Oh, ay, hindi ako namatay. Aba, yun naman ang kabilingan. Yun naman ang kabilingan. Sala.
Lane, pag nasagot mo to, may 1,000 pesos.
Ay, wow. Sige.
Okay. Today, we are escaping Papa's Pizzeria as Goo Gaga Penguins!
Babes, say it.
Say what?
Oh, say it.
Say what? Say it! What are you guys talking about?
It's Goo Goo Gaga.
Bro, I am not saying Goo Gaga. That is so sus.
Babes, Goo Goo Gaga.
I'm not saying it.
It's Goo Goo Gaga. Say it now.
I am not saying it! Back up! I didn't even tell you. Well, I know you guys want me to say it. I'm not saying Goo Gaga.
We're not leaving the pizzeria unless you say it.
Bruh, I'm leaving without you.
Babes, get your butt, over here.
It says turn back now, guys. Hold up. I am leaving the pizzeria. I don't even want to escape. The doors are locked.
This is a Goo Goo Gaga situation. Yeah, Goo Goo Gaga.
Alright, bruh. I'm not saying this stuff.
Babes, you are saying Goo Goo Gaga whether you want to or not. Yeah, just say Goo Goo Gaga, dude.
Bruh. Nope. Alright, come on, guys. Let's go down the elevator.